Making water, baby. So we're running at the 600 psi off the high pressure pump. The TDS meter, we're already making 100 part per million, 106 part per million product water. Making about, right now it looks like we're making about 0.3 gallons per minute. 10 psi boost. I just have the panel off at the moment because we had a little leak that showed up back there. One of the fittings wasn't tightened at the panel. So I'm running out of hands here, but let's see if I can't do it. There's a little sample water coming out. Short of hands. There it is. And then, here we go. Clean water, baby!